Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a representative media file in Finder so changes apply predictably. Once selected, open Get Info with Command-I or right-click and choose Get Info. In the Get Info panel, locate the Open With section. Click the current app name to reveal the menu, then choose QuickTime Player. You're doing this first because Mac OS applies defaults per file type, so pick a typical MOV or MP4. Make sure QuickTime is installed and up to date before moving to the next step. Once you've selected QuickTime Player for that example file, click the Change All button to apply the setting to every file with the same extension. You'll see a confirmation dialog asking if you want to change all similar documents. Confirm it so the system updates the default handler. This makes QuickTime the default for that file type rather than just the single file. After confirming, close the Get Info window and test by double-clicking another file with the same extension to verify QuickTime opens it. Finish by testing several files to ensure defaults changed across extensions. If a different extension still opens with another app, repeat the Get Info process for that extension. If QuickTime Player is not in the Open With list, choose Other, then navigate to Applications and select QuickTime Player, ensuring Enable is set to all applications. If the change doesn't persist, restart Finder by option right-clicking Finder's dock icon and selecting Relaunch, or reboot your Mac. That resolves common preference caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.